discuss method 4 for finding integrating factors. Theorem based on method 4. What is the statement given here? The equation mdx plus ndy equals to 0 is not exact. Then e power integral f of x dx is the integrating factor. If this equation is not exact, then what is the integrating factor here? E power integral f of x dx is the integrating factor. If 1 by n into dou n by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to f of x. Coming to proof now, it is given that mdx, what is given in the statement? Mdx plus ndy equals to 0 is not exact. Is not exact differential equation. And also we have, and also what is given here? 1 by n into dou n by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to f of x. This we are considering as equation 1. Now we have to prove e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor. So what we have to prove here? This e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor. Now multiply the given equation by e power integral f of x dx. So what we have to do here? We have to multiply the given equation, this equation, with the e power integral f of x dx. Then we get e power integral f of x dx into mdx plus e power integral f of x dx into ndy, which is equals to 0, which is in the form m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0, where m1 equals to e power integral f of x dx into m of x comma y. n1 equals to e power integral f of x dx into n of x comma y. Now partially differentiating m1 with respect to y. So dou m1 by dou y equals e power integral f of x dx into, we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So dou m by dou y. Now again partially differentiate m1 with respect to x. So dou m1 by dou x equals to, now this we are taking as u and this n of x comma y as v. So here we are applying uv formula. So now what is uv formula here? uv equals uv dx equals to u dash v plus v dash u. E power integral f of x into dx. Now inner derivative f of x into, what is v here? N plus v dash with respect to x we are taking. So dou n by dou x into, what is u here? E power integral f of x dx. That equals to, now here we are taking e power integral f of x dx common. So what is remaining here? In e power integral f of x dx into f of x into n plus dou n by dou x to e power integral f of x dx. On equation 1, we are taking f of x equals to 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x into n as it is plus dou n by dou x as it is. Now this and both n's are cancelled. Dou n1 by dou x equals to, what is there here? E power integral f of x dx into, both n's are cancelled. So dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x plus dou n by dou x. So minus dou n by dou x plus dou n by dou x both cancel. So what is remaining here? E power integral f of x dx into, both are cancelled. What is remaining? Dou m by dou y. So dou n1 by dou x equals to e power integral f of x dx into dou m by dou y. So both are equal. So dou m1 by dou y also e power integral f of x dx into dou m by dou y. So both are equal. Therefore dou m1 by dou y equals to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore equation 1, that what is equation 1? mdx plus ndy equals to 0 is an exact differential equation. That implies If this is exact differential equation, then that implies e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor. Hence, it is proved that e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor. Let us discuss example problem based on method 4. What is given here? Solve y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2 into dx plus 1 by 4 into x plus xy square into dy equals to 0. Now coming to the solution. So given equation we are considering as equation 1. Compare equation 1 with m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So what is m here? Y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2. Now n, what is n here? 1 by 4 into x plus xy square. So now we are partially differentiating m with respect to y. So dou m by dou y equals to, so differentiation of y 1 plus y cube, differentiation of y cube dx equals to 3y square. So differentiation of y cube 3y square by 3 as it is. Now this 3 will be cancelled. So what is remaining here? Dou m by dou y equals to 1 plus y square. Now again here we are partially differentiating n with respect to x. So dou n by dou x equals to 1 by 4 as it is. Differentiation of x 1 plus differentiation of x again 1 into y square. So dou n by dou x equals to 1 by 4 into 1 plus y square. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equals to, both are not equal. So dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So if both are not equal means equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. If it is not equal, equation 1 is not equal means then we have to take 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. We have to find 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. What is n here? 1 by 4 into x plus xy square into, what is dou m here? 1 plus y square minus, what is dou n by dou x? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 plus y square equals to, now this 4 goes up here. So 4 by 1 into x plus xy square, here 1 into x plus xy square. So 4 by x plus xy square into, now here we are taking LCM. So 4 into 1 plus y square minus 1 into 1 plus y square by 4. Now this 4 will be cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 by x plus xy square into 4 into 1, 4 plus 4 into y square, 4y square minus 1 into 1, 1 minus into plus minus 1 into y square. That equals to 1 by x plus xy square into, here 4 minus 1, 3 plus 4y square minus y square. So plus 3y square. That equals to 1 by x plus xy square into, here we are taking 3 common, 1 plus y square. That equals to 1 by, here we should take x common. So 1 plus y square into 1 plus y square into 3 into 1 plus y square. So here this 1 plus y square and this 1 plus y square both are cancelled. So here 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to what is remaining here? 1 by x into 3. So 1 into 3, 3 by x. So 1 by x, therefore 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to 3 by x. So 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to f of x. So what is the integrating factor here? So if the integrating factor, what is the integrating factor? Therefore e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor. That implies e power integral f of x dx equals to, what is f of x here? Since f of x equals to 3 by x. So e power, what is f of x? 3 by x into dx. That equals to integral 3 by x means here 3 into integral 1 by x dx. That equals to e power 1 by x, integral 1 by x dx means what is the formula? Log x. So e power 3 into log x. It is in the form of a log b. So a log b equals to log b power x. So that equals to e power log x cube. Can be written as x cube. If e power log x cube means this can be written as x cube. So now we are multiplying integrating factor. What we got integrating factor here? X cube. X cube multiplying x cube with equation 1. Now we are multiplying x cube with equation 1. So in this step we are multiplying x cube with equation 1. So x cube into y plus x cube y cube by 3 plus x cube into x square, x power 5 by 2 into dx plus x cube into x power 4, x cube into x power 4 into x power 4 y square by 4 into dy equals to 2. This we are considering as equation 2. So compare equation 2 with equation 2 we are comparing with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. So what is m1 here? X cube y plus x cube y cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 2. So what is n here? X power 4 plus x power 4 y square by 4. Now partially differentiate m1 with respect to y. So dou m1 by dou y equals to differentiation of y 1. So x cube remaining here. X cube plus x cube into differentiation of y cube 3y square. 3 into x cube y square by 3. So now this 3 both are cancelled. What is remaining here? Dou m1 by dou y equals to x cube plus x cube y square. Now again partially differentiate n1 with respect to x. n1 with respect to x. So differentiation of x power 4, 4x cube plus differentiation of x power 4 again 4x cube into y square remaining by 4. Now here we are taking 4 common, 4 into x cube plus x cube y square. Here 4 cancelled. So dou n1 by dou x equals to what is remaining? X cube plus x cube y square. Now therefore dou m1 by dou y equals to dou n1 by dou x. Both are equal. So if both are equal, equation 2 is an exact differential equation. Now after that what we are doing? Integrate m1 with respect to x and take y as constant. So integral m1 dx. What is m1 here? Equals to integral, what is m1? X cube y plus x cube into y cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 2 into dx. So we have to take y as constant. Y into integral x cube dx plus y cube by 3 into integral x cube dx plus 1 by 2 into integral x power 5 dx. So now since integral x power n dx equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the formula. So now with the help of this formula we are substituting this. So y into integration of x cube dx, x power 4 by 4 plus y cube by 3 as it is. Integral of x cube dx means x power 4 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So integral of x power 5 dx equals to x power 6 by 6. So integral m1 dx equals to x power 4 into y by 4 plus x power 4 into y cube by here 3 into 4 12 by 12 plus x power 6 into x power 6 by 2 into 6 by 12. So now integrate n1 with respect to y and x terms should not consider. Here we have to integrate n1 with respect to y. X terms should not be considered. So integral n1 dy equals to, what is n1? Integral x power 4 plus x power 4 into y square by 4 into dy. So here we should not consider x terms. So here all are x terms. So what we will get here? 0. We have discussed we should not consider x terms. So all are x terms here. So nothing is remaining. So integral n1 dy equals to 0. Therefore general solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equals to c. What is integral m1? X power 4 into y by 4 plus x power 4 into y cube by 12 plus x power 6 by 12. What is integral n1 dy? 0 equals to c. That implies x power 4 into y by 4 plus x power 4 into y cube by 12 plus x power 6 by 12 equals to constant by 12. So if we take the LCM here, what we will get here? 12. So here we are taking constant by 12, c by 12. This is the solution.